Now let's move on to our understanding about software testing. Now, before an application is made public, guys, its performance is tested by a technical user. Now, here, when I say performance, it is not talking about only the performance testing part. The testers are going to test the functionality of the application, validating the mere basic logic of an application. Is the application delivering the kind of business it is expected to deliver? Is it reusable? Is it stable? So before passing an application to be hosted on a public server, the technical users, I mean the testers, will test that application on the parameters of functionality, non-functional testing. There will be performance testing, there will be database testing. Is the user getting fed to the right cell of the database? The backend logic of the complete application on which the user experience is dependent. Is it giving the right payload? There are so many ways to test an application. So the technical user is someone who has complete knowledge related to the process of creating an application. This very user is someone who has complete knowledge of software development lifecycle. He has absolutely correct knowledge on how the whole business cycle of development moves on in an IT firm. How or what are the phases of development? What are the phases of testing? How a bug life cycle works? In other words, a technical user will have the knowledge required to understand the business logic, the expected user experience of the client or customer, UI elements know how, and of course, access of the database to validate user entries. This technical user is called a software tester, and the practice is called software testing. It is as simple as that. And what is the major purpose of software testing? It is to ensure that the application is behaving in the expected manner and is bug free. Now, we hear this a lot of times that bug free application is a myth. Of course, it is a myth. There are even bugs after the QA sign off as well. I mean, the possibilities of user experience can be in a probability which is hard to achieve for a single person. So there are team of software testers working on small pieces of a complete feature. So there is more sense in the delivery of a better software promised to the customer. So in a way we can say that there might be unaccounted losses. I mean, you have booked food on Zomato and you are able to get the whole money refunded without getting connected with the customer care executive. I mean, this could be the biggest flaw. Until someone really finds it out and fixes it, Zomato might have lost a lot of money, which, in case would not be noticed, it would be an unaccounted loss for Zomato. So, software testing helps a business to recover from unaccounted losses situation.